Gianna, I'm reading the book titled Little Red Penguin. The Lost Penguin. Here's an egg. Listen. It goes tips this way and then runs back. Grab the snap, make the snake or peek at the tiny little beak. Then a wing, a feather, both snip together. Goes the wind, begins to blow and rocks the egg to and fro. The egg slips and breaks. Out pops the penguin. Then, boom, goes a voice. It's a hairy bear. Who's there? Cries the bear. The penguin is scared. Little penguin rolls to the sea. Pitty pitty pat, Jack lands. Splat, splat, splat. What's that? With his spout and a tail, it's a whale. Little penguin gets a wash. Flip, flop, chip, chop, I'm all wet, he says. Then, from the sea comes a fish and a snow. Something comes out. It's a wriggly, jiggly, wiggly, wobbly. Arr! Cries the penguin, running off the line. Little penguin rolls from side to side. Slip, slide, whiskey and juice. Roly poly, tumble, tumble, slap. Then, there's no toes, and I am too. Who are you? Asked the penguin. I'm Fox, says the fox. His snap, snap, in the sky, Santa Claus. He slips and loops the loop, but it does cracking his beak. It's scary here, says the penguin, running in fear. Snow comes quick and thick. It falls in his feather, his nose, his tummy, his toes. Little penguin has an idea in his head. Hello, he says. I'll go back to my egg. So back he goes and runs inside. I'll be safe in here where I can hide. Everything is great and I'll sleep this night. Then with the grandest little crack of life. Just a wing, a feather, two wings together. There's a beak, an eye, then another. Hello, says a race. I'm near nothing. Little penguin is good into a penguin cup, but the softest cloud and sun, and he says out loud, Mommy. Mommy says, we've all been looking for you. Bear, whale, seal, fox, and dog helped us too. Thank you, said the penguin. At last, he was gone. Never again will he be alone. Happy little penguin says, goodbye, little lost penguin. Thank you.
Yeah.